Seat belt has been made mandatory and compulsory starting from 1st November 2022. The use of seat belts, for both front and rear passengers, is mandatory under Rule 138 subsection 3 of the Central Motor Vehicle Rules. Not wearing seat belt would attract a fine of 1,000 rupees. According to National Crime Records Bureau data, over 155 lakh lives were lost in road crashes across India in 2021, an average of 426 daily, or 18 every single hour. Starting 1st November 2022, front and rear passengers have to compulsorily wear seat belts, else pay a fine of rupees 1,000. This information is issued in public interest, to educate the public about new traffic rules. For such information about public concern, subscribe to our channel. Also visit our website www.icrpc.org.